Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into the world of AI-powered note-taking with Mem. This app claims to blend the world of note-taking and personal knowledge management with the help of AI. Let's find out if it's worth your attention. Mem is an AI-focused note-taking application designed to help you capture ideas swiftly and organize them into your own personal knowledge base. Currently, Mem offers a range of features, including an AI-powered chat function known as Mem Chat. Now, let's take a closer look at what sets Mem apart, the features that make it stand out from the crowd. First up, Mem's AI Chat is an interesting feature. It's essentially OpenAI's ChatGPT combined with your notes, providing contextual assistance. You can ask questions like, "What can I do about my current gym routine?" and it will pull relevant notes, scan them, and provide insights without requiring loads of context. Plus, there's Mem AI giving you real-time insights into your notes. Quite a handy combo, don't you think? Mem also offers templates, a real-time saver for common notes. Whether it's journaling, daily notes, or weekly reviews, Mem's templates make it easy to import predefined structures into your notes. This feeds into the AI chat, enhancing context and helping you improve your note-taking game. Another cool feature is the integration of Google Calendar for meeting notes. This allows you to create and connect meeting notes to upcoming events, making it ideal for agendas, meeting notes, and ideas. And with searchability in the timeline, you can always revisit them later. Now let's talk about the not-so-great aspects of Mem. One major drawback is the lack of focus. Mem combines note-taking with tasks, templates, and even calendar functions. However, these features feel a bit unfinished, hovering around the 70–80% mark. The team acknowledges this complexity, and they've recently pared back some features, aligning with user feedback. Tasks, for instance, can be quite complex. The learning curve is steeper, requiring keyboard use. Auto-tagging, while helpful, can be overly aggressive, tagging everything from names to places. It's a hit or miss, depending on your use case. Something that might throw off seasoned note-takers is the absence of note titles in Mem. Each note begins as body text. While the app sees mems as documents, it might be confusing for those transitioning from other note-taking apps. Now, the big question: how much does Mem cost? Mem primarily focuses on team plans, offering a generous free plan with unlimited notes and access. The Mem AI, their standout feature, is the paid part. Starting at $8.33 a month, it's a bit steep, but let's see if Mem's unique features justify the price. And there you have it, our overview of Mem, the AI-powered note-taking app. Is it a game changer or just another player in the field? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay curious.